Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 coming here with another reaction. Yo, we're there. They are with Confident, 1Confident, with a song called Warning. So 1Confident link up and say, bro, you know, say, yo, I look at you, call my name with you. So I say, oh, call your name. I must say, I'm not telling you, know. But yeah, I'm going to drop a song. So the song drop, the boss message me and say, oh, the song drop. So we're there, I react to it. I don't know who call him, but up to now, hopefully, he may say it in the song or something. So, sorry. 1Confident, Warning. 1Confident, Warning. So the cover art is just that warning triangle with the bullet hole eliminate. Big up JT Riggs Records. You don't know, so them on the production team behind one. So let's jump in. I wanna yeah, obviously we have some grave down here and thing where for career goal. So yeah, we have some grave down here and thing and rat bat and graveyard and things. So okay, yeah, back here in the GS. Let's go. Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt your video. We're here with another promotional deal. So this deal is running from the 1st of December to the 31st of December. So make sure say wanna link me in my DMs, Jamaica_worst_gamer for your chance to have your channel, to have your music video or audio on this platform. Link me up. Serious artists only. You understand? I feel like Santa Claus, cause it's a December now and a December month. I feel like Santa Claus.
Hey, no mix me with Santa. I be a gun, I just sponsor.
Alright. Back to the video.
No name in my ball game. You have to bad fi confident call name.
No name, you're not in my ball game. You have to bad. You're not in I'm league. You might tell us, yo, you're not in I'm league. That's why I'm never call a name. I'm not gonna yo, more know what we know.
No name in my ball game. You have to bad fi confident call name. You're not in my ball game. You have to bad fi confident call name. Fi confident call name. I want do some waste man. I make supplement a boots them up. I write group them up. Make Skyro shoot them up.
Bomba. Shut the fire!
No name in my ball game. You have to bad fi confident call name.
Yo, that flow you bad.
You're not in my ball game. You have to bad fi confident call name. Fi confident call name.
I'm gonna concentrate. Let's go.
I want do some waste man. I make supplement a boots them up. I write group them up. Make Skyro shoot them up. We no fire shot figgy boy bruise and no bob juice boy head leak whole shoes of blood.
Yeah, we no fire shot figgy boy bruise. We send them go to hospital. No. 6'6". I want to you. Leak out.
Waste man. I make supplement a boots them up. I write group them up. Make Skyro shoot them up. We no fire shot figgy boy bruise and no bob juice boy head leak whole shoes of blood. Sadness from my gun done June a fun. No name dead before that tune a done said.
No name dead before that tune a done. The man, so the boss tell us him not call the name and him really not call the name true. The man say yo, you're dead before that tune a done. Whoever you is, we need to like reach out to me, dog. _worst_gamer. Reach out to me. Let me hear every song you did drop. So the G can, you see me? Yeah. I look a wire, that nice to me.
Sadness from my gun done, June a fun. No name dead before that tune a done. Said them a killer, but them never yet use a gun. Crime scene make news a run. Give them a warning. Tell them rifle we be from no right back till a morning. Any man.
Yo, you're the instrumental chip in.
Yet use a gun, crime scene make news a run. Give them a warning. Tell them rifle we be from no right back till a morning. Any man feel like them a car try run up, see if the Glock na park him.
Yo, just try run up now, bro. Just try run up now, dog. God, the boss will tell us, say, yo, you don't have no name. So go, I think you need to probably go more direct. Because you never call. Like, yo, me no know. Confident, you need to explain what I go on, bro.
Any man feel like them a car try run up, see if the Glock na park him. You need to have common sense, no nonsense, Skyro no like talking.
You need to have common sense and not no nonsense. Cause remember, say full of nonsense, you know. No, change that. Have common sense. Ready this road. Yeah, dog. Yeah, what are talking?
You need to have common sense. No nonsense, Kyra no like talking. I and dog them barking. We head mad, alright as daybreak. Be a crook step down a fair place. Walk down pan them bare face. 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and kill them same place. No.
As day break, brother, we are walking. We now wait until they left your place. We now wait until they left your space. Guess where we are go? We are walk down by you in your place, brother. 𝐂𝐂𝐓 and a funeral, dog. Funeral bell. Yeah. Graphic, I like it.
We head mad, alright as daybreak. Be a crook step down a fair place. Walk down pan them bare face. 𝐂𝐂𝐓 and kill them same place. No Nintendo, so don't try play safe.
And a Nintendo game this, brother, and a 64 this. So don't try play safe, brother, cause it not gonna save you. It not save you.
Pitney no come a war, go a daycare. 20 shot each, man I get a fair share. Dark 20 shot each, man I get a fair share. Dark up the place, nothing now stay clear. Look who done spot can't walk in Shakespeare. So careful how you call name. No name, you're not in my ball game. Simple thing for make the Glock fall rain. You have to bad for confident call name. And if you reach the level for tease the devil, rifle binds in your small brain.
The man say, yo, if you reach the level for tease the devil, a rifle shot for you, brother. Even the man say, currently speaking, you are not on his level. But if you happen to reach at a certain level, where am I gonna say, all right, then maybe him qualify. Let me give him a little run. Rifle shot, I go say, nah, go get the man don't tell us say, yo, you go dead before that tune down in the dark. So.
And if you reach the level for tease the devil, rifle binds in your small brain. Crocodile, wild and can't tame. We head mad, give them a warning. Tell them rifle we beat from no right back till a morning. Any man feel like them a car try run up safe the Glock no park him. You need to have common sense, no nonsense, Kyra no like talking. I and dog them barking, we head mad.
A war time. Remember say war is in the year, no dog. Remember say a war time, you know. So whoever the person will call the genie and the man will tell us say, yo, I'm not sending a shot at you right now. I'm not sending you a warning, cause me need you to know who you are rampant, brother. Remember say I know all a joking thing, man, depend. You see me? So you need to know who you are mess with, dog. Fuck around and find out if that was a person. Confident would be that person right now. So the boss will tell us, say, yo, don't fuck around. You will find out. You see me? The man even calling him up to now, G. So I know what I know what the song name. So I can't go look it up and hear it from say it for nothing. So yo, the boss will tell us, say, yo, you're pussy. So I'm not calling him. Yeah, that boss will tell us. Yo, big up yourself, confident. Big up yourself, JT Riggs Records. Big up yourself, confident. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself as always. Thanks for the support as always, my G. This is I'm gonna leave the one I said. If you enjoy the one, guys, and want some more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you new. Also, I'm gonna leave the link to this song and his channel down in the comment section, so you can go and give him a follow. You understand? Yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst game, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.